Okay, so it's Wednesday night and I've been out in the studio pretty much all day, and I thought it would be fun to see how things are shaping up so far. So over here we've got some things displayed by the sink and some stuff ready for my demo on Sunday. I'm playing around with attaching some artwork to my new garage door with magnets. I had to figure out a spot for this print rack, I'm not sure, and then I have lots of work ready to hang tomorrow. That is my big task, is to get all this stuff up on the walls. There's quite a bit left to do. Let's see what else we got. We got racks of prints, and then over here a piece that I'm going to have for my drawing, and then another piece and some handmade note cards and a couple boxes of originals and giclées, so that's kind of fun. And then these two little sweeties, which I don't know how much I'm gonna price those at. I've got my little house series shaping up nicely over here. The ever popular note cards, framing and tagging stuff on my table. And then I've got my new little village of tiny houses all lined up on the wall there. So it's coming together. I had to take down my clock to make room for art. So anyway, come and see how it all comes together between now and Saturday. Thanks for watching.